Priyanka, I'm back again with my new chapter that is A Day Wait. 11 o'clock. I went out for a while. With whom I did the narrator go out for a while? With the dog. No, I mean you don't have to stay if it's going to bother you. What did the boy really want? He wanted his father to go out. How did his father come to know that his boy and that his son has fever? When the father put his hand upon his forehead of the boy, he knew that his son had fever, for which three medical problems were the medicines prescribed. The medicines were prescribed for bringing down the fever, another was an purgative, and the third was one to overcome an acid condition. What was the boy waiting for? The boy was waiting for his death. Who told the boy that he was going to die? The boy of his school in France told him that the person cannot live at 44-degree temperature, so that he thought he was going to die. Why did the boy cry very easily at little things that were of no importance? The boy cried easily and told that little things were of no importance because the fear of death was removed from his mind. Why was the boy not interested in listening to a story written by Howard Pyle? The boy was not interested in listening to a story written by Howard Pyle because he was worried about his death and considered that there was no use of such stories of him for him because he was going to die. He lay still in the bed and seemed very detached from what was going on. Why did the boy seem detached from what was going on? The boy seemed detached what was going on because he thought that temperature of the fever was very high and the treatment was not effective, and it was certain that he would die soon. Why was it very tough to shoot the covey of a quail? It was very tough to shoot the covey of quail because there was a lot of snow on the ground, and the most of the quail has been hidden themselves in the business which were covered with snow, and it was difficult to jump and balance upon the bushes to bring them out and shoot. Are you sure? What did the boy feel when he asked the question to his father? The boy felt perfect, relaxed in his heart and mind, and realized that the information was incorrect, so that he asked his father whether he was about to fundamental of a measurement of thermometer. About what time do you think I'm going to die? Why did the boy think that he's going to die? The boy thought that he's going to die because he had the wrong information about the measurement of temperature thermometer. He had been told by his friend when he was in school that no one can remain alive at a temperature of 44 degree. The boy considered the fundamental correct. When he became the victim of fever, and the doctor measured the temperature of his body with thermometer and told that it was 102 degree. According to the opinion of boy, it was very much in the figure of at. It was clear that it was that he must die, and the treatment of the doctor was not effective, and the temperature of his body was not reducing. In this way, the boy became sure that it was his last time, and he would die soon. Discuss father son relationship in the story. In the story, he find great relationship between father and son. Both love each other very much. When the father knows that his son is sick and his body is burning with fever, he advised him to go to the bed and not go outside because it was very cold weather. He called the doctors and gave the medicine to the boy according to the prescription of the doctor. He sat on the bed of the boy and began to read the story of pirates for him in order to entertain and divert his attention from fever to make him please. In the same way, the boy insisted his father to go out from the room and get relaxed because he knew that his disease could make his father unwell. It shows great love and regards of son for his father. In this way, he find great love and perfect understanding between the father and the son, which is a remark of dedication for each other. How did the father recognize that his son was ill? The father recognized that his son was ill because he was shivering, and his face has turned white, and he was walking slowly. It seemed as if he was feeling ache. He was in miserable condition, and he was sitting by the fire in order to make him warm. There was the indication which made his father clear that his son was ill. What are the condition of the boy according to the opinion of the doctor? According to the opinion of the doctor, the condition of the boy was not serious. He was a victim of germs influenza which exist in acid conditions. The temperature of his body was 102, which was not critical. This was a light epidemic of flu, and there was no danger because the temperature of the body was always below 104. Describe the physical and mental condition of the boy. The physical condition of the boy was not good. His face had turned white and dark eyes had developed under his eyes. He was feeling pain in his body and could not walk properly. He remained lying on the bed. His mental condition was not perfect. He was in the Great Depression and remained staring at the foot of his bed and did not allow anyone to come inside his room. Describe the scene of nature outside the house. The weather was cold, wet outside the house. It was raining and snow was falling. There was a layer of snow on the ground. The trees were bare and the bushes were covered with snow. Although the day was bright, but cool winds was blowing, there was completely slippery on the ground. Why was the boy not interested to take the medicine? The boy was not interested to take the medicine because he knew very well that the temperature of his body was very high and there was no use of taking medicine because he was going to die, and prescribed medicines of the doctors were not showing any effect. What message does the narrator deliver to the story A Day Wait? And the story, the narrator deliver an important message to the human being that sufficient knowledge is harmful and it may be the cause of great trouble in life. Such a knowledge of measurement of thermometer provide terrible for boy because he had insufficient knowledge and it created trouble in his life. His father did not clear his concept of right measurement. He would die certainly, so he must think about anything in particular point of view. Why was medicines not affecting and improving the condition of boy? In fact, the medicines were affecting and improving the physical condition of the boy gradually, but they were not providing successful to recover effective because mentally the boy was not ready to accept the treatment because he was afraid that he would die very soon and the temperature of his body has crossed critical point and nothing could save him. It means that negative view of a boy has proved the medicine ineffective so that it was not affecting of his body. Coming the title of the story, A Day Wait. The title of the story, A Day Wait, delivers a great message. The narrator say if a person knows about his death, which is certain, it becomes the most difficult job to wait for it for even a day. The day becomes too large and difficult to pass, and it gives a terrible panic and hopelessness to the people who is told that within 24 hours he shall die. Such a day wait for a boy becomes complicated and changes entirely, and it sinks him into the ocean of sorrows. Why did the father face difficulty in shooting off the quills? The father faced difficulty in shooting off the quills because there was completely layer of snow on the ground, and it was very difficult to walk upon the slippery surface of the snow and balance to the chute of the boat, and most of the boats had hidden inside the snow-covered bushes. It was difficult to jump upon the heap of the snow-covered bushes and bring the quills out to shoot them. During the shooting, his gun had slipped from his hand and he had managed to shoot a few of them. Thank you.